Everyone loves a great deal. We here at Brooks Heating and Air have one for you. You'll save with our preventative maintenance plans. You'll save money, and you won't have to wait days to get the service you need when you need it. So skip those costly emergency service charges or high cost for parts and labor. Our preventative maintenance plan saves you money and gives you peace of mind. With 24-hour priority service and no overtime rates, you'll also receive a value-added discount on parts and labor. Your plan also includes a biannual inspection of your HVAC system to ensure your system is operating safely and at peak efficiency, and to prevent minor problems from becoming major headaches. Ask for further details and start saving today.